All right, hey guys, how are you doing? So we are around 15 minutes, 30 minutes actually before the closing bell, and I would like to do kind of a recap for the day. I'm actually right now up by 2,095.66 dollars. Actually, it was a very, very awesome day, very cool day. The SPY was declining at the moment by 0.16%. Most of the time, the SPY was trending to the downside, but eventually I was willing to take it for to a short position. I was looking for a short position today because I actually wanted to trade with the whole market for the day, but eventually most of the trade was for the uptrend. So we will go just one by one and you will understand what I actually did. So the first one was ZSAN that increased its value yesterday and also by today, and I was looking for a momentum trade for the opening bell. And let's move to the 3 minute chart over here. So the signal was above $3 over here for a momentum trade, but eventually we was kicked out from the trade because of a false breakout, and you can see it over here. But the first risk was 10 cents, but eventually, as soon the stock was jumping higher from the entry price, we just promote the stop loss to the entry price, and we didn't risk anything on this specific trade. This is the cool thing of the simple trading method, that as soon the stock is going higher, you just place it on your entry price, and you don't risk a lot. So this was the first trade, ZSAN, at the entry price. So I was looking for a momentum trade, but eventually the false breakout kicked us from the trade. But eventually after that it was increases. But this is what actually happening over here. But this is actually pretty good. We didn't lose in this specific trade. Another trade was ADIT that I didn't trade it. I didn't open position, but you guys did, above the price of $25. Let's look over here or over here. So you can see that there was kind of, let's do it more accurate over here. So you can see there is above the price of 25. It actually was the highest price of yesterday's, and because of that it was very, very high momentum trade over here also, because at the beginning the stock was declining, but after that it was jumping up to 25. So the signal to buy the stock was at $25, and we actually traded till the price of $25.67 at in this specific correction candle over here, and we actually took around 65 cents in this specific stock. I didn't trade it on this stock, but eventually you guys did and you took profit. This is actually what is matter, 67 cents on this specific stock, EDIT. Another trade that we had during the day was PSIX that was jumping in my scanners, and I was looked to find the right opportunity to open a position because it was halted several of times during the increases, and it was with a low volume at the beginning, but after that the volume was increased. So the opportunity to buy the stock was above the price of $7, and we actually closed the position over here in this slight correction with 40 cents. Actually it was 32 cents profit because we split the shares, place it half of the shares at the entry price, another half just promoted to take profit. So eventually we took over here in this specific trade 32 cents. It was actually pretty good. We could took more, but eventually we took over here 32 cents. This is actually pretty good. Another trade, the last trade of the day was TRIP. TRIP that declines today by more than 10%, and we actually traded not long ago beneath the price of 47.50. It's over here. You can see there is kind of support level. Just a second. It's over here. You can see there is kind of support level, and after that it was declining down, and we promoted the stop losses till the price of 47 and 6 cents, and it was above this specific green candle, this doji candle that was signaling for uncertainty about the trend and kind of consolidation between the buyers and the buyers and the sellers. So eventually we closed the position with a profit of 44 cents. Over here in this specific trade, the risk was only 6 cents, so it's actually pretty good and pretty awesome that we took profit. We had four trades, three of them was profitable, one was closed at the entry price. So eventually it was a very awesome day. Like I said, I'm up by 2095 $66, and it was a very simple day. And you guys saw this how the simple trade method is actually working, and you don't need to risk a lot and to lose a lot if you want to profit. Just need to trade simple. As soon as you just trade simple, you get profitable. That's it. And the risk was very small risk on the trades. So like I said, I'm up $2,095. And so thank you a lot, guys. We have 4 minutes to the closing bell. See you tomorrow. Have a lovely day.